next to it.
This is Felipe and Wolf, two Brooklyn-based DJs who agreed to show us how easy it is to buy a new class of drugs called synthetic cannabinoids right here in New York.
Which ones did you get?
You recommended this one. This is new, apparently. Oh, second generation. It's legal.
Good. So we have nothing to worry about.
The new psychoactive substances flooding gas stations, corner stores, and the internet are one of the fastest growing drug markets in the world. The DEA estimates that the industry is now worth billions of dollars, with hundreds of different chemical compounds to serve any kind of high you're looking for. There are stimulants, sedatives, dissociatives, psychedelics, and cannabinoids, each with thousands of possible variations. Synthetic cannabinoids are the most popular drugs in America for high school students, surpassed only by marijuana, a drug their effect is supposed to mimic. Given the surge in new psychoactive substances, government authorities around the world have started paying much closer attention. We spoke with DEA representative Rusty Payne.
I think people don't realize, especially in this country, that there's a completely new frontier of drugs out there. Over the last 5 or 6 years, we've identified over 300 new drugs, and many have been very much scrutinized by the government, and Congress has actually made them illegal.
Although hundreds of psychoactive drugs have been prohibited, manufacturers stay one step ahead of the law by tweaking a drug's molecular structure, creating a new compound that technically isn't illegal. In an effort to skirt regulations, the drugs are marked with a "not for human consumption" disclaimer and deceptively sold as incense, potpourri, or bath salts.
These are unregulated chemicals overseas, many of them. They're shipped in bulk over here, and they're distributed either retail or internet sites here in the US. Parents have no idea a lot of times that their child can go online and buy a psychoactive substance for pretty cheap and get it in the mail. What people haven't realized is how dangerous that is, because nobody really knows what's in these chemicals. It's something that is smoked or snorted, and it's potentially deadly. If you ask emergency room treatment facilities across the country, their numbers are up, and a lot of times they don't know what they're dealing with.
The synthetic cannabinoid market has been expanding globally for the last 5 years. In New York City alone, synthetic cannabinoid-associated emergency department visits rose 220% in the first 6 months of 2014.
ER doctors citywide say they are dealing with a huge spike in cases related to the abuse of synthetic marijuana.